Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) is a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standard. It is designed to minimize the risk involved in any food production that cannot be eliminated through testing the final product. GMP covers all aspects of production, from the starting materials, premises, and equipment to the training and personal hygiene of staff. Detailed written procedures are essential for each process that could affect the quality of finished product. There must be system to provide documented proof that correct procedures are consistently followed at each step in the manufacturing process every time a product is made. What are CGMP? CGMP refers to the current good manufacturing practices regulations enforced by FDA, Food and Drug Administration. CGMP provides for systems that assure proper design, monitoring and control of manufacturing process and facilities. Adherence to the CGMP regulations assure the identity, strength, quality and purity of drug products. This includes establishing strong quality management system, obtaining appropriate quality of raw materials, establishing robust operating procedures, detecting and investigating products quality deviation, and maintaining reliable testing. This formal system of controls at a pharmaceutical company, if adequate put into practice, helps to prevent instances of contamination, deviation, failures, and errors. This assures that drug products meet their quality standard. Thank you.